We are enablers of reusability in the building materials sector, specifically tiles materials that apply to floors and walls. We started at a very early stage actually. We kind of fusion with Ellen MacArthur Foundation because we were with the same goals and ethical design principles. So we started in 2012, but then everything really was more consistent in 2014. So since then, I mean, we've been leading innovation forward into market, so to potentially transform part of the construction sector and decarbonize that. But if we don't do the right steps forward, doesn't matter how we call it. So circular economy is just the difference between the step in between being linear and circular, which will help a little bit recycling, but it's not enough. So it's a way to give to society and businesses a more conscious way that materials, raw materials and other materials that are already being used need to be found a ways how we can better use again, reuse and repurpose instead of discarding and throwing them to landfill as a waste. It's quite exciting, very passionate with what we do, and it's been a very beautiful journey because it has been so much support from the different stakeholders, from organizations like London, previously London Waste and Recycling Board, Newable, Ellen MacArthur Foundation, that have been collaborating and recognizing our solutions. And also very important in innovation to get recognition from the different stakeholders. So we have also won quite a few awards, starting in the European Parliament in Brussels and here in England and others. So I think those are very key steps for innovation to be recognized and then enter into market strongly. My advice to other businesses would be whether they are already circular or they don't know but they want to know because they are starting to acknowledge that the system or the new economy is towards that direction, is that they start today. Start today to embrace, to get knowledge of what you're doing wrong, what you're doing right, and what you are in the middle, so you can improve all of that in between. Because if you don't improve and you work towards the new economy, you will be left behind, and if you are left behind, there is no business. There will be another business that will supplement the exercise of the businesses that are happening at the moment, like we are doing in our sector. But we all need to cooperate and believe that we can create a better economy whilst we create a more sustainable living environment.